2013-14 Flawless Basketball. Ooh. So nice. Good luck, everybody. One box. Random team style. Third break we've done random team style. Well. Don't peek, guys. Don't peek. Don't look. Alright, here we go. First up, for the Orlando Magic, Aaron Aflalo, 13 out of 25. Luke David Duke has the Magic. Wow, surprised. Surprised Luke got one. It's amazing. Nice, Luke, nice. Jumbo patch Aaron Aflalo. Oh, dirty. Rain, 2 out of 5, Pat Riley for the Lakers. Pat Riley, the Lakers. Big D's got the Lakers. Sweet. Pretty sweet, man. Hey, pretty sweet. Alright, for the Portland Trail Blazers, 19 out of 25, LaMarcus Aldridge, patch auto. J-Dog 19, Jason's got the Blazers. For the Wizards, Marcin Gortat, 16 of 20. Mr. Nasty on the board. Gortat. Next up, 13 of 15, Detroit Pistons, Dennis Rodman. AZ Frozen Rope. Striking again in the Flawless. The Worm. Next up is jersey number 10 of 10, going to the Phoenix Suns. Steve Nash. Western Conference All-Star Achievements. Western Conference All-Star. 10 out of 10, Phoenix Suns. The Suns, 10B89. Congrats on the Nash. This is sick right here, too. 8 of 10, we got John Stockton, patch auto. 3 colors, Jazz. Sack King, SR1. Congrats, Imram. There you go. I did better for you in your drafted spots. Not bad. Johnny Stockton. Alright, the Jewels and the encased auto to go. First Jewel. Numbered out of 20, Kemba Walker for the Bobcats. Who's got the Cats? Luke David Duke with the Bobby Cats, 8 out of 20. Luke hits both teams. Amazing. Well done. Congrats. For the Chicago Bulls, Big D, Scottie Pippen, 7 out of 15. Ruby. Big D and the Bulls. Alright, guys, here it is. It's Kobe, 22 out of 25. That's the base auto, Flawless. Flawless base auto. Kobe Bryant, the Black Mamba. Big D, the Lakers. 2 hits for the Lakers. you go. That's it for the break, man. A couple of you guys. Luke got 2. Big D got like 3. Everybody else sprinkling them in, but some guys got some nice cards, of course. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Sure, there's nothing left in there. There's the keys. We'll random off the suitcase now. I'm going to hit the randomizer 3 more times on the teams. The team on the top gets the briefcase. Good luck. 3 more times. We finished with Lakers on top and Spurs on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. The Cavs, Cleveland Cavs, Jake Hen gets the suitcase, the briefcase. Jake Hen. Alrighty. Peace.